To use the Bank of Baroda bill payment feature, start by logging in to your Bank of Baroda internet banking account. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the bill payment section, which can be found under the Payments and Transfers tab. In this section, you will find various bill payment options, including electricity, gas, water, and mobile bills. Select the type of bill you want to pay and choose your service provider from the list of available options. Enter your bill account number and other required details, such as the bill amount and payment date. Verify the details you have entered to ensure they are correct, and then proceed to make the payment. You can use your Bank of Baroda account or credit card to make the payment. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation message and a transaction reference number. Keep this number safe for future reference. You can also view your payment history and track the status of your bills in the bill payment section. To avoid late payment charges, it is recommended to pay your bills at least 2 to 3 days before the due date. Additionally, make sure to keep your internet banking account and transaction details confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Using the Bank of Baroda bill payment feature is a convenient and secure way to pay your bills online. It saves time and effort, and helps you avoid late payment charges. By following these steps, you can easily pay your bills and manage your finances effectively.